Today we will be reviewing the removal and installation process for the fuser maintenance kit for the HP LaserJet M652, 653, 681, 682, and a couple E machines. That part number is P1B91A or the RM2-1928. We're going to use the 652 as our demo machine today. And it's important to note this is an aftermarket kit. So what we did, as the OEM has not created a maintenance kit for this, we have designated the high velocity parts replacement, and I will include the kit contents in the notes section of this post below. That'll tell you how many rollers and separation assemblies that come in the maintenance kit. So it's important to note there are 9 different models with this series, so depending on which model you have, which accessories you have, you may need more or less rollers, but the kit we've created covers the vast majority of them, and the procedure is the same across all. So we'll start this procedure by making sure the printer is off for at least 15 minutes and unplugged. We're going to remove the tray, or just pull the tray out. Pinch the blue tab on the separation roller assembly, pull straight up, and reverse it to reinstall. It clicks right into place. And just draw back to make sure it is in place. Next, you may not need to, but we are, for the sake of the video, we're going to turn it on its back to expose this assembly. And this is spring loaded. You're just going to push straight up and angle back down. And that is what that looks like. So we'll reinstall, push straight up, again spring loaded, and falls into place. Now we're going to reorientate the printer. Move it to tray one side, pull the access door down, remove the cover. So this roller is going to be a bit of a challenge, but what you need to do is orientate it so it's move it towards the machine, towards the printer, to expose an area where you'll see a gap between the roller and the blue tabs of the cradle. And you'll use a flat tip to just spread that out until the roller comes loose. And that's, give you a close-up shot of that. And are we doing a set pad? Mm-hmm. Okay. Reinstall, make sure you hear the click as it goes into place. As you can see, it's tension loaded. You relieve some of the tension, the roller just comes right out. And reverse the procedure to reinstall. Now we're going to spin the, pull the access door down here. Remove the secondary transfer roller. reverse to replace. And moving on to the fuser. Pull the blue tabs, pinch them, and pull straight back, and reverse it to replace. A couple of repair notes on this. Page yield, estimated page yield is about 225,000 pages. There is no reset procedure on this, as this kit comes with our zero set technology, and that'll handle the fuser page count. And MetroFuser offers this in a number of different options. Just give us a call and we'll get you what you need. If you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe, and visit us at metrofuser.com. Thanks.